weight, rarity, permanence.
Platinum requires higher processing temperatures and slower refinement cycles, resisting shortcuts and demanding precision at every stage. Few materials require this level of calibration, and fewer still become a day date. The day date has represented mechanical prestige since 1956, not through volume or spectacle, but through
The day date was the first wristwatch to display both the full day and date in an aperture, establishing functional leadership.
Platinum's density exceeds that of gold, influencing machining strategy, tool wear, and overall production cadence. Ice blue is reserved exclusively for platinum day-date models, a discrete visual code recognized by collectors. Wall thickness, lug angles, and bezel depth are calculated to preserve structural integrity, despite platinum's relative softness compared to steel. Platinum doesn't seek attention. It communicates permanence through engineering discipline and sustained refinement. Platinum is significantly rarer in the Earth's crust than gold, requiring greater extraction effort to yield the same mass. Platinum demands higher melting temperatures and tighter thermal control during purification. 950 platinum alloy is verified for composition consistency before entering machining stages.
Alloy balance influences hardness, durability, and long-term surface behavior under wear.
This specific tone is reserved for platinum day-date references, functioning as a material identifier. Surface finishing must remain consistent to ensure uniform reflection under varied lighting conditions. Crystal precision is essential to maintain optical clarity and secure integration with platinum case tolerances. Link geometry must balance structural strength with long-term articulation stability. Achieving crisp fluting in platinum requires recalibrated tooling due to the metal's density and surface behavior. In a platinum day date, every component begins with verified material integrity before precision engineering takes over. Platinum's density requires slower cutting speeds and reinforced tooling to preserve micron-level dimensional stability.
Thermal stability is continuously monitored to prevent structural distortion during prolonged cutting cycles.
Symmetry between opposing lugs is digitally verified after each machining pass.
That thread pitch accuracy directly affects sealing performance and long-term reliability. Platinum's malleability demands recalibrated cutting pressure to maintain ridge definition without surface tearing.
Tool wear is monitored continuously, with tighter replacement thresholds compared to gold machining. Tool wear is monitored continuously, with tighter replacement thresholds compared to gold machining. Deviations beyond microns trigger reevaluation before finishing proceeds.
Finishing platinum is very different, because you are primarily redistributing the material on the surface, rather than aggressively removing it. Preserving edge sharpness while achieving polish requires controlled pressure and disciplined technique.
The bezel receives intermediate brushing between flutes. Fine texture becomes visible before final polishing restores controlled. Link tolerances are engineered to manage platinum's added mass over decades of articulation. Artisans assemble the bracelet under magnification, inserting precision pins with calibrated force. The lens captures.
Decorative finishing reflects mechanical discipline within the movement architecture.
The trestles. The precise meshing of the gear teeth minimizes sliding friction, crucial for consistent power delivery. The Chronergy escapement's enhanced efficiency contributes to an extended power reserve, now exceeding 70 hours. Movements are regulated in multiple positions to ensure consistent timekeeping stability. The rotor is mounted atop the movement, brushed surface contrasting with underlying components. Automatic winding applied hour markers are pressed into position using calibrated pressure. Marker alignment is verified to micron-level accuracy. The day disc is aligned beneath the 12 o'clock aperture, followed by date wheel synchronization. It is critical that both day and date advance in perfect synchronization. Under sterile airflow, the sapphire crystal is seated. Uniform pressure is crucial for water resistance. Casing tolerances must align exactly with movement mounting points. The fluted bezel is pressed into place with measured force. Bezel seating ensures both aesthetic symmetry and structural compression.
The President bracelet attaches to reinforced spring bars at the lugs. Attachment systems are engineered to support platinum's density. The case back is screwed down using a torque-calibrated tool. Compression uniformity preserves internal stability. Tactile feedback reflects earlier machining precision. Assembly concludes only after visual and mechanical harmony are verified.
Each watch undergoes final quality control and validation, a distinct stage separate from its manufacturing. Under structured inspection lighting, lug edges and bezel geometry are reviewed once more. Platinum's surface requires careful scrutiny before approval. Manufacturing is disciplined execution, sustained across dozens of calibrated stages.
After casing, the movement is regulated to Rolex's internal Superlative Chronometer standard of Nash's 2+2 seconds per day.
Water resistance is validated through controlled pressure simulation, confirming gasket compression and crown integrity.
Temperature variation tests confirm sealing stability and dimensional consistency across material expansion ranges.
Long-term durability is assessed through repetitive motion cycles designed to evaluate articulation stability and winding efficiency. Repeated advancement confirms alignment accuracy and consistent engagement of calendar components. Platinum's softer nature requires heightened surface scrutiny before approval. Performance, sealing, durability, and finishing are verified through documented validation, ensuring the platinum day date meets. This watch signals authority through material presence, not ornamentation. Performance, sealing, durability, and finishing are verified through documented validation, ensuring the platinum day date meets. Precision is not an event, it is a standard maintained consistently. Ice blue functions as a discrete material signature, recognized by those familiar with platinum references. Platinum doesn't seek attention, it communicates permanence through engineering discipline and sustained refinement. True watchmaking excellence is measured in precision, verified in testing, and sustained through decades of refinement. Explore further engineering-focused documentaries on our channel. Each episode prioritizes documented process and material science. Precision is not an event, it is a standard maintained consistently.